Now, let me show you how you can stop the keyboard sound on your iPad. So that's going to be really simple. All you have to do is just go to your settings app like this. If you have been doing anything else, just come back to the general section. And in here, you're going to find the keyboard. Obviously, you can make some changes in here and so on, but there is the sound section. So the sound basically means that as long as you are typing on the keyboard, it makes the noise, right? So you can disable it and the keyboard is going to stay quiet. So that's how you can control it if you are using the Apple keyboard. Of course, more things to customize, but the sound is basically the only thing. If you generally don't like the way your iPad keyboard works, feel free to explore third-party alternatives. Because on the App Store, you can look up apps like Gboard, which is developed by Google, and it's basically a keyboard which can replace the one you use on your iPad. And the point is that this app might have different settings regarding the sound and so on, right? So I have the app downloaded. You can see that it works vertically in here. But the point is that in here, when you enable it, you can basically change some settings for the sounds and so on, right? So that's the point, right? Obviously, you can also go with a different app if you wanted to, but my point is that you can replace your built-in keyboard as well as the settings with it. But that's it from me. Let me know what you think below, subscribe, and I'll see you later in future uploads.